Hi guys, and welcome back. I am back today for the 1st of May. And how are you? How are you celebrating your 1st of May? I am in my craft room for the moment with my little guy here. And yes, he likes to spend his day on my table because it is sunny and he can see birdies and so on and so forth. And yeah, we are going to have him in the house for the moment. At one point, probably he will have enough with us and he will leave, but for the moment, he is with us. Okay. And today I have a little bit of a freebie. Let me see if you can see it completely. Let me there. Now you can see the cat and you can see the freebie and you can see me, my belly, right? Because this is my space. This is my working space. It is barely 40 centimeters. Yes. And this is a freebie with old pictures. And I have made them in different hues. So these are in red sepia. This is the most that I could do in the red with this picture. And then we are having the yellow sepia, of course, and it looks like this. And then we are having again the red sepia, but this page is different than this page because in here this picture is smaller, and I have made these guys smaller. I have created a few stamps with them. Yes. And in here we don't have stamps any longer, and they are a little bit bigger. And this is the black and white, and this is the one because I have two. And yes, this is the black and white page, and hopefully you can see them, and they are gorgeous. Yes, and I love them. I love them all. Okay, so let's see how can we use these pictures. I mean, what? Okay, you have some old picture, and what are you going to do with them? I mean, really. And I have in here some papers that we created a few time ago. I don't know if you have seen me creating them, but yes, I have created a while ago them, and I would like this piece of paper. I would like this one. I will take this one out of here, and my ruler, yes, I'm going to take my ruler like that, and I'm going to tear this off, and I'm going to tear here this part also, and this one like that. And maybe I will tear a little bit from here because I want torn edges, and I want inked edges. Let me inked edges, and I'm going to ink them really fast or slow because today I have plenty of time. So yes. So how are you? How are you celebrating the 1st of May? I'm hoping that you will see me later in the day after you go out and have fun. But if you are into your craft room and you are enjoying this free day, well then, enjoy it. Yes, and craft as there is no tomorrow. Okay, baby. Okay, baby. And I will take this guy. I don't know if I want the red one. If I want the red one. Yes, I think that this one is more appropriate than this one. Let me see. Or even better. I'm having an interesting idea. Let's see, what if I'll take him out of here. I will fussy cut it, and these are my family photos. I'm not going to tell you who's who, but they are family. Some of these people I know. I mean, from these photos, only one guy I don't know. I don't know him. I haven't met him. He died well before I was born. So I couldn't... No, two guys. Yes, two guys. I haven't met them, so yeah. And now I'm going to facilitate this young man, this handsome young man, and we will see what we can do. But let's not forget, oh, we do not wash ourselves in front of people, you know. So if you want to have a bath, you go. Yes, my window is open and it is around 2 o'clock. Wait, let me close the window because, you know, people were out with their kids and the kids are pretty tired, and you know, when they are tired, they become upset and they cry and they throw tantrums and they don't want any longer anything anymore. So okay, and I am facilitating him, and we are going to have a very nice journaling card with this guy. Yes, there, like that, and like that. There. And he's going to stay in here like that. And I'm going to fussy cut this one also, so that you can see how and why. Why would I even bother to download your freebie to waste my space on the computer and so on and so forth? Oh well, you don't have to, but you can, so that you can have instantly some interesting pictures and use them. And you even better, you can use them repeatedly. And if you want to create interesting effects, you can. You can overlap as many pictures as you want, and then print them again. And yes, of course, you are going to spend your to waste your ink in the printer, but let's see. Can I want to see if I can. I would like to have some sort of a shadow. Something like that, you know, a shadow like that. And add him here, like that. Or even better, I could have him like that, you know. There. Or, oh well, wait, we can turn this into a notebook, and we can, oopsie, we can put the guy here like this, and then we can put the guy here like this and create this notebook. Yes, and let's see, let's grab some more papers. Let's see, this is a vintage piece of paper. This is how the ideas come. While you work, the ideas are appearing. Yes. Why have I cut it that way? Oh my god. I'm having, yes. Like that. And then I'm going to grab another piece of paper from my stash. This is not a hair, this is a hand-drawn something. Yes, and I'm going to tear this one like that, and this one like that. There. We are having a few interesting pages. Yes. This one is not so interesting, but we will make it interesting. Where's my ink? Here's my ink. Yes, and I'm going to make it interesting in no time, because I'm going to put some ink on it, and then I will put water, and it is going to be interesting. Really fast, really fast. We are transforming them fast into interesting things, into interesting pieces of paper. Yes. And I'll open it, I'll turn it, and this is water with some ink in it. It is already yellow, and this paper is going to be interesting. Okay, And this paper is going to be interesting also. And I'm going to plug in my how is it called, heat gun, and I'm going to dry these. And I would like some more papers to mop up this sink here and to create interesting papers like that. And you will witness my cat running very fast because he doesn't like the heat gun, but maybe he will tolerate it today. Oh my god, you sweet nose. I love you.
I love you too. I love you too.
Me or him?
Both of you.
Both of us. Okay.
Oh my god. She's so sweet.
Bonnie, I'm going to open this. I'm going to turn it on. Are you okay with that? I will turn it on, you know.
He already put his
Paw
paw on his ear. Oh my god, he's with his mouth open.
Okay, he tolerates us. Yay!
Can I tell a story to the guys?
Yes, tell.
Okay, so mom was in a conference, I think. I don't know how to say it in English.
Yes, it was a conference.
Anyway, it was a conference and I yelled at Bonnie. And my mom was like, Maria! I'm sorry for my Maria.
Yes, it was a conference about teenagers and how to how to act with them and how to, you know, live with them in peace.
And then the teenager in the house.
And then the teenager in the house. And it was an online conference, of course. Yeah. And he is still tolerating us. And I really want to dry this thing here because I'm feeling it is interesting. And I don't know if I am going to back this up, but...
Do you have any more rolly?
Why? She is asking for these rollers. So,
Thank you.
because she always holds Bonnie in her arms, and he is one really confident guy. So you see, he is so confident that he stays here with me while I'm using the heat gun. These are not bone dry, they are still a little bit wet, but yes. And now I'm trying to decide if I want the notebook like this, or I want the notebook like that. So wait, yes, I'm going to ink this margin also, because it is torn and I love it. And if I ink it a little bit, it transforms into something interesting. And this is really old paper, really old, I don't know. Now I think that this is going to be a mini notebook for the journal, and it is going, or for a journal, or just for the, you know, the purse. Yes, you keep it in your purse and you take it off, you write in whatever you need to write, and then you put it back. Yes, and this guy is going to live in here like that. Like something around these lines like that. And let me see how we can decorate this. Like that. And and I am going to have a little bit of this paper in here, something like so. And I'm going to give him a little bit of a label. Yes, a label. Let's see what can I find in here, in this. Label. No. Shall I put him a little bit of map? I had a little bit of map here. Yes, I do have, I still have it. And like that, maybe. Yeah, and the label, it is going to live somewhere in here like that or like that. Let's see what kind of label I find, if I find. If not, well, this is it. If I cannot find a label, then maybe we shouldn't have a label. I trust the pieces that I'm working with, you know. If I cannot find a label, this means that they don't want a label. But I am going to put him a stamp. I will create a stamp and I will add it. This is from my, it was one of my freebies also. So you can have them if you want them. You find them on the coffee shop and they are already up on the shop if you want them. By the time that I'm speaking, they are already up. And the second part of the video has been magically lost. As you can see, I'm having two cats on the table, Bonnie and Melly. Yes, now I'm having all cats on the table, but this is the end result. I am sorry guys, because you couldn't see how I decorated this, but it was not something really fancy, really, it wasn't. So this is what we have created today, and it is cat approved, as you can see, and it is our little notebook that you can put your nose in like that. Or you can write something in. And yeah, I hope you are going to have a wonderful day and you are going to craft with joy. See you again tomorrow, guys. Bye.